Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we are going to check out some amazing Home Depot deals. They've had a lot of good stuff lately. We're going to look at just some regular deals on their site, but we're also going to check out two clearance lists that I put together. One specifically tool related, and then the other one is just anything I could find at Home Depot. So we have a 50% off clearance and we have a 75% off clearance list that we're going to go through. Also, at the time that I put the list together, everything was available for purchasing online and getting shipped to home. So we'll check that out as we go through all this. The links will be down below to everything we talk about here. So the first deal at Home Depot, they're all at Home Depot, Milwaukee M12 12-volt lithium-ion cordless combo kit. It's a 5-tool kit, and you're getting 3 1.5 amp-hour batteries. So it's a perfect way to get into Milwaukee's lineup. I couldn't find any other retailers with this exact model number, but the was price listed on Home Depot's website was $369. It is currently listed as a special buy for $219. Now, I know a couple of these special buys were listed as ending today. I don't remember specifically which ones. Today is the 10th. So be aware of that. And who knows, they could always re-up it the next day, even though it says it ends today. But you're getting the 5 tools. These are not brushless. These are not fuel tools, but perfect everyday DIY tools. And you're getting 3 batteries, which is really nice. Especially if they're going to stick you with 1.5 amp-hour batteries, you're going to want 3 of them. Next, we have the Atomic 20-volt max lithium-ion brushless cordless compact drill impact combo kit. It's a 2-tool kit for $159. Now, we posted this about a month ago, and it was $199. But at $199, you also got a free bare tool. I think it was like a circular saw, reciprocating saw, angle grinder, oscillating tool. I might have those off, but there was a couple different bare tools to choose from. So now we don't get the free tool, but we do get the $159 price. So it was like $40 cheaper. Now keep in mind, these are their Atomic series, so they're brushless, and it's the compact DeWalt tools. But it's 1.3 amp-hour batteries. I don't even know why bother making a 1.3 amp-hour. Oh, because it's cheaper, that's why. But the batteries suck. Really, they do. I wish the lowest they would go was a 2 amp-hour battery, because I don't even like my 2 amp-hour batteries. But whatever, it's a good price to get 2 brushless tools. And you can see that International Tool has the same kit for $229. Acme Tools also has it for $229, but over at Acme, you'll also get a free 3 amp-hour battery. So I do like pairing these with a 3 amp-hour battery, but I wouldn't pay that price difference to get that free 3 amp-hour battery. You could probably find it on Amazon or eBay, some third-party seller, to save yourself some money and still get that. Another one that's good for today only, because the Home Depot special buy of the day, it's up to 30% off select outdoor power tools. Now, this is going to be all the way at the bottom of the page. So if you click the click here thing or click any of these images, it brings you to the special buy of the day page. It's all the way at the bottom. A thing they started 6-8 months ago, it feels like it's been a while, is instead of having just one set of special buy of the day items, they've been breaking up into 2, 3, 4 different categories, I guess, just to get more things on the page. But anyway, very bottom, you have outdoor power tools. There are 22 different items to select from, and quite a wide range. You can see you get the chipper, shredder, a weed whacker, a generator, and a chainsaw. So, pretty wide range. Now here's one of the clearance things. We're going to circle back to this once we get through all the deals, but it was all the 50% off or more. I posted it last night, so people who get the post notifications, which is this little red bell down here, or people on the email list, they've already gotten a heads up on that. And as I said, everything was in stock when I posted it. Now that it's been out for almost 24 hours, maybe some stuff is sold out, but I would think most of it's still available. Also, if you haven't seen, Ryobi Days is going on at Home Depot. It goes until the 2nd, so you're buying, here's the picture, you're buying a starter kit that's 2 4 amp-hour batteries, and you get a free bare tool. The one thing I really like about Ryobi we talked about the other day is they just have some off-the-wall tools, and they're really cheap. So especially things you don't plan on using a ton, you can get this a little cheaper. Also, you look at that DeWalt deal, $159 for the 2-tool combo. It's a really good deal, but if you plan on buying into a lot more DeWalt stuff, well then, unless you're very picky about finding good deals on things, you'll end up paying more in the long run as you expand into DeWalt's platform because all their tools are going to be more expensive. Whereas Ryobi, if you're not using your stuff every day, or if you are just looking for some of the specialty things that other cordless tool brands don't have, it's kind of nice because even when you don't catch things on sale, the Ryobi stuff just is cheaper to begin with. So, it just depends on your preference and how much you plan on using the tools. But they do have some pretty neat stuff. This one sold out, was posted a few days ago on June 9th, I guess just yesterday, but $9.97 for 4 tape measures was a pretty good deal. It even had free shipping. Home Depot advertises free shipping on orders over $45, but especially lately, maybe the last month or two, I've seen a ton of stuff like this, $9.97, and still got the free shipping, so that was a really good deal. And a big thanks to James for giving us a heads up on this one. This is another one that made it in a video before. You buy a Milwaukee M18 high output starter kit. You get the 8, you get the 6 amp hour batteries with the charger in the bag. It's going to be $2.99, but you also get a free bare tool. So you can get the fuel angle grinder, fuel reciprocating saw, circular saw, fuel 3/8 impact wrench, or the rocket light. And then here's his picture of the reciprocating saw and angle grinder that he was able to pick up. So it's a pretty good deal there. I'd go with the light, just 'cause I've been wanting one of them damn lights forever. Home Depot Special Buy of the Day. This is old. Similar to the last one we talked about here, with the buy a starter kit, receive a free bare tool. Slightly different, because this one also has, was this a 5 and a 2 amp hour kit and some different options. So I'll link that down below, but pretty similar to what we talked about. Home Depot, we got the Sunjo 24-volt cordless electric lawn care system, hedge trimmer, pole saw, grass trimmer, and it's a kit with a 2 amp hour battery. Now that 2 amp hour battery is going to, you're going to want something better, but it does come completely set up, all the different attachments for $109.99, of course the free shipping. So that is really a good deal. You just find yourself a better battery for it, and that's like all the yard tools you need. So Walmart has it for $140.39, and Tractor Supply is selling it for $199.99. Milwaukee, we got the M12. This is a fuel kit, brushless obviously, hammer drill and impact driver combo kit, and you get the free multi-tool. So $199, you're getting the hammer drill, the impact, and the oscillating multi-tool. Milwaukee's just been going crazy lately with all the promotions. No matter what store, Home Depot, Acme, International Tool, Ohio Power Tool, Lowe's, everybody, Farm and Fleet we saw the other day, has just tons of Milwaukee deals. And we haven't seen much DeWalt, so I feel like there's like DeWalt's marketing department all on furlough for COVID. I have no idea. But here we go. Another Milwaukee deal. It's the M18 Fuel, brushless, 10-inch, cordless dual bevel sliding miter compound miter saw, with a free 8 amp hour battery. So it's $4.99, really expensive, but that 8 amp hour battery is also very expensive. It's the high output, and if we just compare the prices, Ohio Power Tool $4.99, no free battery. Acme Tools $4.99, no free battery. International Tool $4.99, no free battery. So you're getting an extremely expensive battery for free if you were already in the market for this miter saw. It's a no-brainer to go that way. And this is a perfect example of what I was talking about earlier with Ryobi tools. You have the 18-volt 1 Plus hybrid floor dryer fan, tool only, $49.97. But who else has a cordless floor drying fan? Does Milwaukee have one and I just haven't seen it, or DeWalt, or I don't know? And then you're only getting it for $50. I just like the goofy stuff like that. I feel like I need the batteries and the chargers just so I can get in on some of these oddball deals that are cheap. It'll last as much as I'll need to use it. I don't know how often I need to dry a floor, but it sounds like a good idea. This one, it's sold out online, but if you find a local store near you, you can still purchase. So you can purchase online and do the in-store pickup if you find someone with it in stock, and it's a pretty good deal. That's why it's sold out online. Husky Mechanic Tool Set. It's a 230-piece set for $99. Originally was $179. You can see you get the ratchets and the sockets and the hex keys and wrenches are in there. around Christmas time, every brand had a similar kit available at $99, but a lot of people either sold out or the deal's gone or anything. I don't know of any similar kit that currently is selling for $99. Another special buy of the day from a couple of days ago. This is up to $299 now for the Sportsman 4000 3500 dual fuel powered portable generator. But also the special buy of the day that is good for today had some generators in it, so definitely worth looking at that first. And these oscillating blades are out. Okay, I think that's it for that. Let's go to the Home Depot clearance. So this is the 50% off or more. And I was just looking at things that were in stock that you could buy online, that comparing their was price to the now price was 50% or more. So, did they inflate the was price so it looks like a bigger discount? Yeah, maybe, probably. And I didn't compare these to any other retailer. So if you want, it's worth checking that out. But this is the list I came up with, all tool-related stuff that should be 50% off or more. We have the Hole Dozer General Purpose Bi-Metal Hole Saw Sets, a 21-piece set by Milwaukee, obviously, for $69. We have the Shockwave Impact Duty Steel Driver Set, 105 pieces for $29.88. The Milwaukee 2.5-inch Guide Plate for Thick Wall SDS Max with Spline Core Bit. It's $1.99. We got a Knockout Die, $62.70. Another Shockwave set for $54.97. This one's got some drill bits in it. Another drill bit and driver bit set for $54.97. Another Knockout Die for $14.70. Knockout Hole Punch, $51.80. Again, Milwaukee. They've all been Milwaukee. You'll notice these are all by brand just because that's how I looked them up. No other significance there. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Alloy Steel Drill and Driver Bit Set for $59.97. Here we have a 7-tool DeWalt combo kit, tough system for $4.99. I believe the original price was like $1,000 or $1,100 or something is what they listed it at. But you get the box and everything, and then 7 tools, and that gets you all set up for, all your basic needs. That's pretty extensive to begin with. A couple of impact sockets here. We posted at least 1 or 2 of these before, but they were still available, so I thought included in this list. The 1/2-inch drive, 26mm 6-point impact socket, DeWalt, $289. You got the 23mm for $326, and the 25mm for $1.80. I think all of these came with free shipping too, which was pretty funny. So pay $1.80 for the socket, get it shipped to you for free. You can't beat that deal. It's a size you would think you'd use at some point, or use regularly, whatever. So we got a bunch of rigid stuff that's all the same battery. It's the 1.5 amp hour batteries, but they're all discounted. So a 2-pack for $179, 10-pack for $249. That's what they said the discount was. A 4-pack for $99, a 6-pack for $159. So if you need those 1.5 amp hours. Again, the Ryobi Days sale. Because you're getting the free item, everything on their website is considering it to be more than a 50% discount on the Ryobi Days stuff. We got the Bosch Quick Change Router Template Guide, $1.44. Quick Release Router Template Guide, $1.50. Some Stanley Utility Blades, a 5-pack for just 40 cents. Makita deal here, the 36 volt, that's 218 volts. Brushless Cordless 7.25-inch circular saw kit, 5 amp hour with bonus 5 amp hour batteries. It's actually a really good deal if you're a Makita fan. It's been around for a little while though. I'm kind of surprised it's not sold out, but $249 for all of that. You're actually getting 4 total batteries because you get the 2 that come with the kit, and then you're getting the bonus 2. Gear wrench, truck and tractor piston ring compressor, $3.58. The Husky battery brush, just $1.49. I should have bought one of those. I still might when this video's over. You should see mine. It's got like 2 bristles left. I don't think it's doing much. Husky, you got the 3/8-inch drive, 13/16 6-point SAE standard socket for 74 cents. Another Husky socket, 1/4-inch drive, 11/32, probably not one you use too often, which is why it's only 59 cents. You have the folding Sawhorse 2-pack for $19.88. I'll learn to speak at some point. Husky 1/2-inch drive, 16mm metric standard socket, 12.89 cents. The Oco Pro Bullet outdoor, indoor, cloud and security wireless standard surveillance camera with remote viewing, only $69. Got the Empire 9-inch True Blue professional magnetic torpedo levels. That's a 2-pack for $9.97. The Freeman Ultimate Pneumatic Flooring Nailer Kit with fasteners, 2-piece, $199.88. And I believe the last deal for the 50%, Sportsman 20-inch 52cc 2-stroke gas chainsaw for $109. So a really good deal on the chainsaw there. So now, this last deal, I posted it over on the forum. Again, all the links will be down below. I posted it here because it's not strictly tool related, and it just seemed like the best place to go. But it's a huge list. I know the formatting kind of sucks. I was just trying to, in a hurry, get this posted, but we'll work on it being a little bit more readable in the future. You see the product name, just the title of it, the URL to get to it, the picture of the item, the current selling price, the original selling price, and who the manufacturer was. And I believe it's 80-something products here, and everything is 75% off or more from the list price on Home Depot's website. So it's a hodgepodge of just random stuff they sell. But you might be able to find something worth your time. There's a lot of this electronic, I don't even know if they're tablets and stuff. You see we have a couple of repeated items. The last list was 50% or more. And I think those were like 80% off or something, so they show up on this list too. So this is really the first time I've really tried to dig deep into clearance stuff at Home Depot, so I don't know how often this stuff changes. I'll check it in about a week. If it looks to be basically the same list, we won't do another video or anything. But if it looks completely different, or I see a bunch of new things added to it, then we'll try and maybe do this a weekly or bi-weekly video, depending how much stuff changes and how much you guys like this format. So if you like it, give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.